In the world of DevOps, metrics are essential for measuring the performance, reliability, and efficiency of both development and operational processes. These metrics provide insights that help teams make data driven decisions, identify bottlenecks, and continuously improve their workflows. By implementing appropriate metrics and queries, organizations can ensure that their DevOps practices align with business goals and deliver value to customers. Metrics in DevOps are crucial for several reasons. They provide visibility into the health and performance of applications and infrastructure, enabling teams to detect and resolve issues quickly. Metrics also facilitate continuous improvement by highlighting areas that need attention. Furthermore, they help in aligning development and operations teams with business objectives, ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals. Without proper metrics, it becomes challenging to measure success and drive meaningful improvements. DevOps metrics can be broadly categorized into several types: performance metrics, reliability metrics, and process metrics. Performance metrics include response time, throughput, and resource utilization. Reliability metrics focus on uptime, mean time to recovery, MTTR, and failure rates. Process metrics measure aspects like deployment frequency, lead time for changes, and change failure rate. Each type of metric provides unique insights that are critical for different aspects of DevOps practices. Performance metrics are essential for understanding how well applications and infrastructure are performing. Key performance metrics include response time, which measures how quickly a system responds to requests, throughput, which indicates the number of transactions a system can handle in a given time period, and resource utilization, which tracks the usage of CPU, memory, and other resources. By monitoring these metrics, teams can identify performance bottlenecks and optimize their systems for better efficiency. Reliability metrics focus on the stability and dependability of applications and infrastructure. Key reliability metrics include uptime, which measures the percentage of time a system is operational, mean time to recovery, MTTR, which indicates the average time taken to restore service after an outage, and failure rates, which track the frequency of system failures. These metrics help teams ensure that their systems are reliable and can meet the expectations of users and stakeholders. Process metrics provide insights into the efficiency and effectiveness of development and operational processes. Key process metrics include deployment frequency, which measures how often new code is deployed to production, lead time for changes, which tracks the time taken from code commit to deployment, and change failure rate, which indicates the percentage of deployments that result in failures. By monitoring these metrics, teams can identify areas for improvement and streamline their processes for better outcomes. Designing effective metrics involves understanding the goals and objectives of the organization and selecting metrics that align with these goals. It is important to choose metrics that are actionable, meaning they provide insights that can lead to specific actions. Metrics should also be relevant, providing information that is directly related to the performance and reliability of the system. Additionally, metrics should be easy to understand and communicate, ensuring that all team members can interpret and act on the data. Implementing metrics in DevOps involves several steps. First, teams need to identify the key metrics that align with their goals and objectives. Next, they need to set up monitoring tools and systems to collect and analyze data. This may involve using tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or Azure Monitor. Once the data is collected, teams need to establish processes for reviewing and acting on the metrics. This includes setting up regular review meetings, creating dashboards, and defining action plans based on the insights gained from the metrics. Queries are essential for analyzing metrics and gaining insights from the data. By writing effective queries, teams can filter, aggregate, and visualize data in meaningful ways. For example, SQL queries can be used to extract specific data points from a database, while PromQL queries can be used to analyze time series data in Prometheus. Queries enable teams to drill down into the data, identify trends, and uncover hidden patterns that can inform decision-making and drive improvements. There are several tools available for collecting, analyzing, and visualizing metrics in DevOps. Prometheus is a popular open-source monitoring tool that collects and stores time series data. Grafana is often used in conjunction with Prometheus to create interactive dashboards and visualizations. Azure Monitor is a comprehensive monitoring solution that integrates with various Azure services. Other tools like Kibana, Datadog, and New Relic also provide powerful capabilities for working with metrics and queries. To get the most out of metrics and queries, it is important to follow best practices. This includes setting clear objectives for what you want to measure, choosing the right metrics that align with these objectives, and using appropriate tools for data collection and analysis. It is also important to establish a culture of continuous improvement, where teams regularly review metrics, identify areas for improvement, and take action based on the insights gained. Additionally, metrics should be communicated effectively to all stakeholders to ensure alignment and transparency. Implementing metrics in DevOps can present several challenges. One common challenge is selecting the right metrics that provide meaningful insights without overwhelming the team with too much data. Another challenge is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the data collected. Teams may also face difficulties in integrating different tools and systems for data collection and analysis. Additionally, there can be resistance to change, with some team members hesitant to adopt new metrics and processes. Overcoming these challenges requires careful planning, clear communication, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Consider a case study of a company that successfully implemented metrics and queries in their DevOps practices. The company identified key metrics such as deployment frequency, lead time for changes, and mean time to recovery. They used Prometheus and Grafana to collect and visualize data, creating dashboards that provided real-time insights. Regular review meetings were established to discuss the metrics and identify areas for improvement. As a result, the company was able to reduce deployment times, improve system reliability, and achieve better alignment with business goals. In conclusion, designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries is essential for successful DevOps practices. Metrics provide the insights needed to measure performance, reliability, and process efficiency, while queries enable teams to analyze data and uncover actionable insights. By following best practices and overcoming common challenges, organizations can achieve continuous improvement and deliver greater value to their customers. The next steps involve identifying key metrics for your organization, setting up the necessary tools and systems, and establishing processes for regular review and action based on the metrics.